In this video, I want to go over the many ways that you can access support and help with Address2.com. First and foremost, be aware that our support ticketing software, you can email it directly, support@address2.com. Please make sure that you're descriptive in your subject line and description of the issue that you're having. So in this case, I'm going to email and say, need help uploading contacts. Support. Please send me information on how to upload contacts into Address2. Thanks. Right? So I'm going to hit send. If you wait just a few minutes, immediately after sending that email, you'll receive two emails. One is an acknowledgement that we've received it and we've created a ticket for you in our support dashboard. Before you actually log in and check out the comments or notes on that ticket, you'll also receive a secondary email that says Address2 user activation. We use a different ticketing software, so you will need to create a username and password by clicking on that link. Once you've clicked on that link, you will create a new login for yourself under our support ticketing dashboard here. It'll say welcome Troy Hanna or welcome your username, and you'll be able to actually peruse our support ticketing software, different questions or emails or videos that we've created. You'll also be able to check statuses of tickets that you've submitted. So here I can go in and check the ticket status where I can see, oh yeah, I submitted this, it's being processed. I can actually even click on it and see where we're at in the actual process here. So being processed, it was sent in 9 minutes and 36 seconds ago, and doesn't look like Troy Hanna or anybody from support has replied yet. So I can include my username, that I'm on version 2 of Address2, and that this is a question. I can update that information as well. And then again, when support replies, you'll be able to get those replies. So now I've received an email from Address2. You'll see where the subject line is the same subject line. And in here, it's a quick canned response. It says, hi Troy Hanna, here's a quick video on how to import that data. There's a YouTube video available and also a little bit of an explanation. If a support ticket ever gets long as far as resolving an issue or maybe a request or help, you can always again click on that Freshdesk logo there, and you'll be able to see a history of the interaction regarding the issue that you may be having. So that is one way to quickly access support and get information and make sure that you're tracking that information in a timely manner. Again, we do try to process support tickets within roughly about 1 business day. Another way to access support is if you're in here in the Address2 software and you're like, man, how do I get these pictures to appear? One of the things that you can do is inside of here, up next to the Address2 logo, you have a help button. If you click the help button, you're able to submit a question through our support portal inside of the software itself. In here I can say things in the subject line like Gmail, and actually there are articles that will pop up based on the subject line you put in. In this case, I probably don't have a video created yet on those icons, so I'm going to create a ticket here that says, how do I create pictures in the icon section of an account? Question. Again, there are some matching articles. I can peruse those, so I'll see if there's any in here. It's going to take a minute to search those, but I can search those there. But I'm going to go back here and just submit a question this way. How do I get pictures in Address2 next to the contact? And again, the more specific you can be, the faster usually your answer gets done. I can put in the type of question, so maybe it's just a question in general, or maybe a feature request or something like that. I can send feedback and immediately get that email from the ticketing software. The other thing that we also have is if you're in here and you're like, hey, I wonder how to do that. I wonder if there's an article that exists for that. You can again click on that help button here and it'll actually take you to that form, or you can search our articles here. Search our database, you can say, hey, I want to search for video. And there's a couple of videos that you have. Or if I just click on search articles, I can browse the different articles that I've created here in Address 2. And again, we do update this on a fairly regular basis. So that is the other way to get support here at Address 2. I believe there may be one final way to reach out to us, and through address2.com, you can contact us through the Contact Us page here. You can go in here and you can fill out this form that goes again directly to support, or you'll see here our phone number. You can ring us Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 317-594-9550. Best reach technical support is at 102. If you have any questions about Address 2 support, need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to us anytime. You can also try to reach out to us through our Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter profiles as well. Thanks for watching.